Good day and welcome back to your tutorial. Maraming salamat po for following our videos, and I'm really happy to learn na marami tayong natutulungan who are now learning to start their projects using Revit. I hope to hear your feedback, so you can just please comment on this video or other videos if you have questions, and if you have specific concerns or skills that you want to learn. I might include it in the next lessons. All right. Salamat po to some of our fellow architects who are now learning Revit, and also I heard one of my good friend Nico marunong na gumawa. Maraming salamat. Hope you continue to learn, and this is your next lesson. Okay, let's start where we left off last time. I have just saved the same project as lesson 6. We are actually in lesson 7, but lesson 6 is where we have where we left off. Okay, so anong mali dito sa project natin ngayon? Something wrong with this wall. Of course, just to quickly solve it, we can just trim this to this wall, right? Type TR, select those walls. Merong error. Okay, ano sabi niya? Can't keep elements joined. So you can just say unjoined elements in this time. Okay, so we found out that this wall is separated naman pala to the rest of the wall, so you can just delete the wall. Okay, so not much of a problem, but the problem is you have an open wall right there. Okay, let's undo. So what do we do now? Let's go back to our floor plan, upper floor plan. Where is our user interface? There. So natin yung project browser. Let's go to our first floor level. And this is giving us problem. We would like to get him up to here only. Yeah. I've manually adjusted it. So let's go back to the 3D. Yan. Okay na tayo. Alright. Of course, architects, you know that you need more windows here. Right? You design it according to your liking, and design it according to your requirements. Tuloy lang natin about roof. So we've already done the roof. What are the properties of the roof? Right now, the properties is it's a basic roof, 125 mm. If you go to edit type, click on that, you will see the properties of this type. If you click on edit and go to structure, you will see that this is the material that can be used for the roof. Okay, so for now walang naka-assign na material, so you'll see that it's just green. So if you type material here, we go ROOF, roof, you'll find the roofing tile right there. So let's choose the roofing tile and just click OK for now. Make it easy. Click OK and apply, click OK. So what's the difference now? Let's set the detail to fine and set the graphic display to realistic. Let's see what happens. Ayun na, meron na tayong sort of roof tile. Of course, this can be better. We can increase the sizes of the tile, we can decrease the sizes of the tile, but we'll go there in the next lessons. Just for now, we've changed the material, and let's go back to our hidden line display. Ano pang kulang natin sa roof? We need to add a fascia and gutter. Alright, so go to your architecture tab. You have in your under your roof, click on that drop down tool, and you have the roof fascia and roof gutter. Let's go to roof fascia. So in roof fascia, you are in 3D mode. You have to be in 3D mode, and you should use your shift button and your middle mouse button to just manually drag it, because you need to choose the edges of your roof. Alright, so let's select now these edges, which will create, ayan, it have created your fascia at the edge of your roof. So you just keep rotating your building so you can have an access to the part of that roof. Okay, ituloy lang. That top, remember to click that top part of the edge of the roof. Ayan. Almost done, pretty much. Ayan. Okay, now we've closed it. You already have your fascia. Click escape. You already have your fascia all around your roof. You see that blue highlighted fascia. After the fascia, we can put on now our gutter. Again, go to your architecture roof, down roof gutter. Alright. Ngayon, piliin natin that edge. You have two edges here now. The inner part of the fascia board and the outer part of the fascia board. Let's click on the outer part of the fascia board. Let's see what happens. Ayan na. There you go. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Similar way on how you did the fascia. Click on that. Click on that. So as I've told earlier, if you have special lessons that you want to jump right into now, please comment on my videos so we can get to do those. As long as they are not, advanced level skills, we will do them. I'm saving the advanced level skills for our next series of videos, if you still are following my videos, which I hope you are, and I know you are. Maraming salamat po. Okay, ayan na. Let's look at our shaded view. Andyan na yung gutter. One more thing that we haven't done actually is creating sections. You know very well now your floor plans, your elevations, and of course the 3D. But we haven't done sections. How do we do sections? Madali lang. Let's go to our ground level or first floor level, whichever you choose, and let's cut a section through. Let's cut two sections. And ito yung shortcut natin for the section. Click on it. And then just click and drag to the other side. So these are the components of a section mark. Makikita nyo dito yung flip section button. If you want to go on the other way, just flip on it and it will look on the other side. Okay. Then these are boundaries of your section. So it will see whatever is inside this blue line. Okay, so let's now right click on it and you say go to view. Andyan na yung section natin. Of course, if you think this is blocking your way, you want to move the level lines to the right hand side, just click on the top of it. It will turn blue, tapos drag on that button right there. Drag it to the right. Yan, sabay-sabay na yan. Just for presentation purposes. So, in the section, you have this line. Ano itong line na to? That's your crop view. Alright? So, if you say hide crop region, matagtago yun. You want to show it, it's just right there. Of course, your section can be shown also in different graphic display option. It can be in shaded mode. It can be in consistent colors, or of course your hidden line. There's not much to show there yet until we place on our ceiling, put on some furnitures, add a few more doors, and adjust our walls, and maybe add the staircase. Let's look back at our 3D. So this lesson have taught you how to create the fascia, the gutter, and of course create your section. That's the video for now. I will be shooting a few more videos after this. I'll see you next time.